fresh. Niligo ko para hindi po tayo tamarin for today's vlog. Happy Saturday everyone! Kamusta na po ang lahat? Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga napamili ko kahapon sa Friday market. Ito po yung ating strawberry. Dalawa na po siya. 4 euros and 50 cents. Mura na to masyado. Kasi ang isa po nito sa normal store, mag-abot din po siya ng 4 euros yung ganito. Tapos kunti lang masyado. Mas kunti pa po dito. So, mura na po ito, no? Meron tayong pa-grapes. Ito kasi yung mga paborito na, ano po ni Nata, no? Mandarin, banana. Ganyan po ang mga paborito niyang prutas. Meron din po tayong pa-garlic. 1 euro para sa ito lahat. Mura na yan masyado. At meron tayong bumili ako ng kamote. May ano pagod ako dito, yung plantain, hindi ko na siya niluluto. Parang naano na lang ako ba, na umay. Ayan, oh, grabe niya ang tawag dyan, overripe na masyado. Masarap siguro ito maruya, no? Parang magmaruya tayo, guys. Yun na nga, bumili po tayo ng kamote. Ayan, meron tayong 5 kamote and lime. Ito naman siya ay 3 euros and 50 cents para sa 10 lime. Basta ang nabayaran ko para sa lahat-lahat na is 13 euros and 50 cents. Diba okay na? Mag-prepare ako ng strawberry para kay Nathan. Hindi pa siya nalinis kasi ang ating dishwasher may laman pa po. Inisin pa ni Daniel ngayon. Tsaka natin ilagay yung mga mga chichiburitchi dyan. Akala ko napili ko yung magandang strawberry or nag-moist kasi siya ba? Hindi namin agad nakuha. Nasa loob po ng sasakyan. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kaya pala napamura tayo. Pilian ko lang to tapos anuhin ko na, i-prepare ko na to lahat. Yung isang box. Maganda po yung mga pa-strawberry pero ito lang ba? Itong isa na ito. Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo. Isa lang po ang natapon ko. Yung iba kasi hindi malala yung pagka-ano niya. Yung pagka-overripe niya. Ang gawin ko dito. Ayan. Ang gawin natin dyan ay ihalo natin sa pancake. Mamaya lutuin ko po siya. Ito pa yung okay pa. I-slice ko to para kay Nathan.
Hey, do you want to do a haul?
What haul is that? Uy, kadaghan po na.
Breakfast haul.
Nag-grocery po siya namin pang breakfast. Tingnan nyo, binili. Pagkadami-dami. No, we're not holding mahal. That's super a lot for holding mahal. Suot niya na yung Levi's, guys. Pero tingnan nyo, show them the Levi's mahal. It's cropped up already. Hindi pa nalabhan.
Yay!
Sabi ko sa kanya, akin na lang yan kasi natanggal na namin ba, hindi na mabalik. Bago niya sinukat, pero yung iba, hindi ko pa naman natanggal. No? Tingnan natin kung anong ibalik natin doon. Sabi ko, hindi na natin ito ibalik. Sa akin na lang yan. Kay mag-iman ang tiyan ko. Para sa summer, may Levi's po ako, no? Ay, grabe. Nasa sale na naman siguro tong pati ba?
No, it's not sale. We're out of tea. So I bought tea. This is, look.
Adik ang pamilya ko sa
Mango
Tiles.
peach for my wife. Mango honey for my son. And then for me and my wife, this is fall tea with the apple and cinnamon. And then the stuff I'm always drinking before I go to work, Earl Grey. And if I want to make a pot instead of a cup, I also have one for a cup.
Adik yung mister ko, guys. Kaya hindi talaga yan ma-dehydrate.
And of
How
course,
many cups of tea do you drink, mahal?
Totoo ba yan ang vlog?
Wait lang. Ha?
Totoo yung vlog mo?
Na?
Dito kayo magtira pag anak mo?
Hindi. Siyempre, content lang. Siyempre, content lang. Grabe ang nanay ko. Bahala na losyang na itsura. Basta may may kadena.
Ay, naiinis na lang ako masyado, guys.
Gaano kayo, mang?
Itanong si mo kung vlog.
Nanonood daw sila ng vlog. Hindi, oy.
Hindi. Kung yan ang mayari, sunduin namin kayo. Pwede magpakasyon muna kami dyan. Sabay na tayo punta dito.
Content lang yun, mang. Alam mo ba, nabash ako. Kay magpalamunin daw si Daniel. Ikaw daw magsagot, mang. Kay magpalamunin daw si Daniel.
Oy, guys.
hello!
Marami akong tao dito pinapakain. Hindi ko iniisip na pinapalamon ko. Yan pa kaya si Daniel, asawa ng anak ko.
La.
What are you saying?
The class is for.
For off.
Ah, it's his birthday?
No,
Why?
because Nathaniel destroyed his glass.
Oh, really?
You don't remember when we were there? Nathan threw the glass.
Ano yan siya? Guinness glass. I'm jealous. May pa-egg and bacon ng aking mister. Ew, yummy! Nag-bake pa ako ng bread para sa akin. Kain guys. Ang akin naman, cream cheese with another cheese, my ham, and lettuce. Ang aking breakfast.
Made possible by your asawa going to the store.
Kaaga niyang pumunta ng store. Ipahol na natin ang mister ko, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Wow!
Wow!
How about this one?
Oh, this one is nice. I
Yeah,
like it.
the Vans.
Good.
Very good. You love it? Yan yung mga binili kong t-shirt sa kanya. Binili ko siya ng mga 8 na t-shirt.
Nice shirt.
Yeah, because we're throwing some of these shirts, guys.
Oh.
What? Oh.
Oh, you did not tell me that.
I don't need to tell you. And the Levi's.
How much were the shirts?
And the Levi's.
Oh, it's also not bad. It's a little bit wider.
Yeah, well, it's good. I like
This one
this.
is nicer, but I like it too.
Yeah.
How much?
Secret, baka ma-spread.
Doesn't say. How much?
Secret, mahal.
Tell me. Ma, you're telling your followers so you can tell your husband.
I did not tell them too how much it is. Tina, Levi's. Wow. I love my husband with the white one. Good, he looks very pogi. Look, oh, look.
Tell me how much, else I won't take it off.
100 something, 100 plus something, all of this.
Let's send it all back.
Look! Kaya hindi talaga yan. Hindi ko yan sinasama pag magbili ako ng mga damit niya. Kaya grabe ka kuripot. Hindi ko yan sinasama sa mga... Yeah, you are kuripot. You are kuripot.
This is too small.
Agoy. Let's send that back because it's also very thin. The Marco Polo.
Marco.
So,
Polo. This one is good too.
you like this?
Yeah, sure.
This one I already know.
Holy moly.
That is big. Yeah, we're sending that back. You don't like that?
Too big, ba?
But it's all large. But you don't like that, mahal?
This is too big.
Okay, then no. Let's send that back.
Too big. Water.
This one I like. How about you?
Yeah, it's good. Hello.
Busy siya sa kanyang mic.
Ooh, this one looks interesting.
Yeah. That one is nice, mahal. Wow.
Need to see. Ooh, I like.
You like this? So how many shirts are we sending back? Two shirts.
3
3?
or 2. Oh yeah, 2 because the third one you already cut off the...
Yeah, and that's for me. The Levi's. So I have Levi's too. Na, ang kuripot, oh. Ooh, yummy! Gawa na po ako ng pang-lunch ng aking family and yung ating pancake. Grabe ang pa-plating ko kay Nathan, guys. I-try ko sana yung pag-ganyan-ganyan ng mga chef cook, oh. Ang pancake, nilagyan ko po ng saging. Lagyan pa natin ng mga chichiburitsi dyan. Wow! Kay Daniel naman, ayan. Sabi niya, konti lang daw. Yan natin pag ganyan. Food is ready, my family!
Okay.
Nathan! Bili Ethan? Dali!
Why are you not wearing any pants?
Because my pants got wet, mahal. What can you say about the plating?
Ooh, that looks nice.
Yung isa.
I am going to get so fat.
Di wow. Yummy, my love?
Very yummy.
Dahil na kayo, maglabas tayo ngayon.
And then we are going to walk.
Yeah. Just walking.
And then we are going to bed.
Yeah.
And then we are going to you.
Uy,
No, okay.
of course.
Too bad.
I heard someone said that he cannot finish it. But look, guys.
I said it's too much. I'm already full, but it's yummy. Too much. Need to exercise now.
Pagka-uwi.
Let's go exercise, mahal.
Maglakad-lakad na naman po tayo. Sama si Mister. Tingin-tingin na naman tayo ng bahay dito. Ibang side na naman to, guys. Kadaming mga marites na gustong makita yung sabi ko sa inyo malalaking bahay dito. Next time na, syempre. Do you like this house, mahal? No, this one ba? It's different. Yeah. Diba? Iba sa bahay namin. Ibang kumpanya din yan. Like that number, mahal. You want that? Not that one, the other one. Yeah. I like the number. Just like that, mahal. With a big number. Bibili kasi kami ng number para sa bahay. Ay, ito. Isa sa malaking bahay. Oh. Very big house, my love. Oh. Yan, mayaman talaga yan, guys. Pag ganyan ang bahay mo dito. Ha?
Where do we go?
Here. Pag ganyan po ang bahay nyo dito, ibig sabihin, mayaman ka. Iba naman kasi ang, baka sabihin nyo, sabi ni Inday Garnet, malaki masyadong bahay. Hindi mo malaki. Yan na yung standard dito. Sobrang yaman muna pag may ganyan kang bahay dito sa Netherlands. Kadalasan po, kapag ang bahay nila na pinili, yung may tubig sa likod, may mga pa-boat po talaga yan sila, no? Tulad yan, no? So, yes lang, mabuting-buting yan sila dyan. It's our first time to walk here, mahal. Very big, mahal, oh. Or that's the same with our house. That's more bigger, right?
Yeah, see, there's 3 windows instead of 2.
Yeah, 3 windows instead of 2. So, malaki talaga siya. Pero tigdalawa din po na bahay. Na magkatabi. Ayun din, oh. Isang bahay lang yan. Mayaman na din yan siya. Kaya ganyan ang bahay niya. So, let's find something. Maybe we can find play.
Ground? I don't.
Yeah, playground. Yan lang ang kulang dito sa amin ba. Wala po kaming pa playground. Dapat palagyan nila. May nag-request last 2019. Hinanap ko po online. Tapos ngayon, was it the company that said no? Ay, the government? Oh, may may nag-ask ba na ano daw, magpagawa kami, tas 5,000 euros ang budget. Tas sabi ng government, hindi daw pwede. Ah, very big this one. Ito, dalawang bahay din po yan, pero kalaki. Ginagawa pa po nila ang daan dito. Nag-enjoy ba kayo, guys? Kita niyo yung ating pa-neighborhood. Maybe in the future, they will put a playground here. Because each subdivision has its own playground, right, mahal? Each subdivision has its own playground. But we have the school kasi. Tas yung school may pa-slide-slide po sila doon. Pero iba pa din kung may pa-playground. Let's go here.
Walking is nice, but it's cold.
It's fine, mahal. That's you don't want to be fat, right? Go walk even if it's cold.
Mahal, this is not walking because even when I'm walking at a very slow pace, you're still miles behind me because you're.
They want to see Mahal. Don't be such ano there. Wala, kalaki pala ng subdivision na ito. Abot pa doon, oh. Katulad niyan, oh. Mahal, we thought that our house before has water on the back, right? We thought ba from the drawing. Yeah.
I forgot already.
Katulad niyan, oh. Tingnan niyo, may paano po sila diyan, oh. Pa-boat-boat. Simple lang din ang garden niyo. Yan ang gusto ko, yung wala ko masyadong nakikita ng mga halaman. Mga pag-garden nila. Diyan, pwede yan sila sa summer maligo-ligo lang po dito. Oh, tingnan nyo, walang halaman-halaman, oh. Ito, same to doon sa pinakita ko last time. Yung pabahay nila, duplex po. Look at this one, Mahal. Ah, yeah, playground! We found! Yeah, it's not yet ready. We found love in a hopeless place. Oh, hello. May tao pala. Hala, may pa-playground sila, guys. In fairness. Itsura nila dito, oh. Ganda, no? Puro bago po ang bahay dito. Itong mga tinayo po nila, puro bago. Pero iba ang kumpanya. Mahal, this one ba? It's righteous house, Mahal, but big inside. No? Very nice. Ayan yung hindi man tayo makadaan dyan. Uy, grabe ka putik. Pa-playground po nila. At least nilagyan na nila, di ba? Hindi nila kami kinuripot. Siguro nagreklamo na yung iba ba. May 2021 pa doon, oh. Nilagyan talaga nila ng pa-year.
Playground?
What?
It's a tiny playground, but it's a playground.
Yeah.
But
Maybe we have more.
needs to happen some stuff here.
Yeah. No, I think that they will be doing the skate thingy, Mahal. The skate for the mature.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, I think the people living here will not like that. They do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Skate area ba? You like it, guys? Our subdivision? Uy, someone is farting.
Who is that?
Don't be shy, Mahal. You already farted in the video yesterday. Ngayon ka pa nahiya. That's your sabi.
Yeah, I know.
That's my husband. My God.
Let's go back to see how we can walk here easiest from our house.
We're going back already.
So we can see how to get here easiest.
Easiest, what's easiest?
If you go from our house, how do we get here the easiest way?
Just straight. Uy, I know already.
I don't know.
Because he just wants to go home. Dali na.
Okay.
Yung sarap ng bahay. They really want it to be like this, Mahal, no? This one ba? The plant ba?
Yeah.
In front of the house. Lahat po talaga dito ng bahay. Ganyan ang pinalagay nilang plant. Pero syempre, patay pa siya ngayon. Kaya sa summer pa natin makita ano ba talaga itsura niyan. Yung amin maliit pa eh. Malaki din ang bahay nila. Oh. Do you like the black house, Mahal? That one ba? The dark house.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Just like this, oh, with the orange.
I thought we had a big house, but all the houses here are bigger.
Yeah. People here are rich, uy. Balik na tayo sa bahay kay gusto na umuwi ni Mr. Next time na lang. When he's working, let's go back here and I'll show you again. Because my husband is
Cold. Cold is what he is.
kuan lousy. My husband is lousy. Naglagay po talaga sila ng ano dyan, yung parang pool na para pag nag-ano ka, para pag gusto mo nang umakyat galing ng tubig. Ganda ang patubig nila dito ba? Ah! Mahal, I'm showing the people. May 3 bibi akong nakita. Nathan is not enjoying, Mahal. You're super fast. Yeah. See? Whee! Uy, Diyos ko na natawon. Dana. Let's go home. What is that for? A well?
Just a building.
Hmm? Ang maganda sa mga bagong bahay ngayon, kahit ano, dikit-dikit po sila, malalaki. Hindi katulad doon sa lumang bahay po namin, yung nakaraan, di ba? Maliit po, yung mga lumang bahay ba. Yung bahay kasi na noon, how many years was the old house, Mahal? 30 years or 40 already?
It was
You bought it 30
when
years.
I was born. It was built.
So it's 45 years.
Yeah, because I'm 45. Look, Mahal, another playground.
Yeah. No, that's not allowed.
And also one here.
Ay, they have a nice playground. Inside their garden, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kalalaki talaga ng mga garden ng mga tao dito. At diba kay gisabi ko man last time, nakalaki ng garden ko. May mga nagsabi na hindi daw ganun kalaki ang garden ko. Guys, sa Dutch, anong tawag dyan? Dutch standard, Mahal. I was telling them but that our garden is big, and then they said it's not so big. But now I'm telling them that in Dutch standard with the house,
Yeah,
Our-
but not if I look around here. These are all the same size or bigger.
yeah.
But if you go farther into the city, then it's all smaller.
Yeah.
Into the center.
Ito yung mga ganyan, umalaki na po yan. Nakita nyo po yung sa sa garden ni ni Zunina's World, 'di ba? Maliit lang po yung garden niya. Halos mga ganyan lang po ang mga pag-garden dito, no. Oh, maliliit lang ba? Pero ngayon sa mga bagong bahay, malalaki na po yung mga pag-garden nila. The garden is also not straight, my love. This garden ba is also not straight.
Right.
Where are we now? Where is our house? No, I don't know anymore.
What you don't know?
How are we going?
That's our house.
Oh, that's our house? Okay. Ay, that's our house! I thought we're going home. You changed your mind?
We're going to our garden.
Ah, we're going to our garden. Huh?
I didn't know that they had their own park.
If you have the...
I thought this was part of their garden, but it
Oh yeah, they have their own parking.
moved to the back and then they have parking space.
Ah, yeah. Ganyan pag... Yeah, that's good. Ganyan pag ano ba yung ang bahay nyo dikit-dikit. Nilagyan nila kayo ng parking sa likod. Tapos may pabahay din po. Ano po siya, kasama sa bahay. Sa amin wala.
It's like this house. You see where the rain park is?
Mm.
That's where this shed ends. Then the other one is on the other side.
Pero maganda ba na may paparking po talaga sila dito. Kasi wala silang parking ng bahay nila doon sa ano yan? Sa harap. Ay, mga garden nila guys. Very lang masyado. Simple. Wala talagang halaman na makita. At yan yung sinasabi ko na garden ng kapitbahay na very open po talaga. Mahal. They're saying ba our gate is strange daw because we have all the closed gates, and then suddenly it's like this. I told them it's because of the government.
Yeah.
They want it like this when you are from the corner. Apa is there? Tingnan na papa kan? Nee, kanit. Sorry, Minir.
Papa?
Kaya na papa?
Yeah?
Ay, may paano din, oh, may pasya din po sila dito kasi ang bahay nila dikit-dikit. Ayan yung atin, oh, walang kuan-kuan. Ito, oh.
Yeah, but us here, look, the neighbors have it going up there.
Yeah.
See?
Sabi ko ba, sa kay Daniel, yung wall namin na puti-puti, doon din sa neighbor namin. Ayan, sa wall talaga nila. Nakita niyo yan. Ito naman, i-water pressure po yan ni Daniel sa summer. Kaya nag-green-green na siya dyan. Hindi na naman ako makatulog. Si Nathan, tulog po siya. Ayun. Si Daniel nasa taas, nasa kanyang man cave. Maglaba po ako ng mga panty. Okay, tapos na yung nilabahan ko ng mga damit po ni Nathan. Ano man guys, kaya pa. Mahal?
Yeah.
Still alive and kicking there?
Yeah.
Look at my husband. And the little man cave. So when is this be finished? When will this be
You give me
finished?
time to put another paint coat on it and do work on that one.
You have all the time, mahal. You even have time now. Yan yung kanyang arcade. I-assemble niya na naman. Tingnan niyo yung ginawa dito ni Daniel, guys. Oh. Oh. Di ba? This is the man cave of my husband. Yung sa... Yung sa kanyang 3D printer. Ito naman, galing po to kay Martha. It's an art from Martha, yung best friend po nila ni Bianan. At yan, gawa niya din yan. Oh. Kung naalala nyo pa, no, nung nasa, old house pa po kami at ito gawa niya din to. Croconol. Laro din yan siya eh. Sinabit niya po dyan. So, what were you doing?
Sleeving cards of 2 big boxes.
Oh, that's a big box. Is this a new one?
This is part of a game that I already have. So I changed cards from this to this.
Yan ang kinabisihan niya habang pinapatulog ko po si
Unsleeve to
Nathan.
sleeve, and then organizing everything.
Nagpaalam siya ba? Oh, I thought you said yut. I thought you said yut.
Yeah.
Ah, wala. Paasa man din eh. You just, made me have hope.
You were laughing when I said that. That's not hope.
Joke lang ito, guys. Laban na po, guys.
Are we not waking up now?
Ha?
Are we not waking up now?
What time is it?
3.
No, later. So, this part naman is his little office. Pag mag-work at home po yan siya, dyan po siya nagtatrabaho. Ay, what are those, mahal? Paint? Paint for the... Ay!
For printing like
You're
this.
painting again? Toby, show us me. Awak dira. Excuse me. Siya po nag-paint yan. Wow. Old houses, old buildings. Yan, kanyang mga pa-painting dyan. At ang kanyang 3D printer. Napitan natin ng ayos ba yung mga ginawa niya galing sa 3D printer. Yan, oh. Yan, at yan. Isipin nyo, imagine nyo kung paano niya nagawa yung dalawa na yan sa 3D printer. Did you make those guns? This, the small one or the big one?
The big one.
Ito eh, isa din
When I
yan
made
sa...
those, I did not have the small one.
Ah. Where's the first 3D printer you had?
Gone.
How gone? You threw it?
I disassembled it for parts.
Ah, so you use the parts. Right, mahal?
Yeah.
These are your hobbies, not like going out drinking and going to red light like that ba?
Wait, you have a lot of guys in the Philippines that have the hobbies of going to red light?
Ask them. Ask them if how it...
That one is my hobby too.
Oh, ito din. O, gawa niya man din to.
Completely works now. It's finished.
Galing din po yan sa 3D printer, no? So, guys, ma, sige na ma. End the vlog, my love.
So guys, tinapay, bye.